Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to a Landingi website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Landingi editor. In the Landingi editor, select the HTML element at the bottom of the left menu. Drag and place it on your page. Double-click the HTML element. And in the code window, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Click the Save and Close button to close the code window. And click on Publish at the top right corner of the editor. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.